Okay, so here we are putting the hubcaps back on. They're looking pretty good. And here they are. And here are the hubcaps. So the way we install these back is grab the ring, put it back in here so it holds the cap in here. Like that. And put the screws back in here. Okay. And right here, we line up the screws and the holes. Once we line up the holes and they're lined up, then we just screw them back in. You can actually push this in a little bit. And good to go. And there it is. Nice and tight. Looks good. So if you guys like my videos, make sure to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you think.